Welcome to Get an Education. Let's test your knowledge today. I'll name a country, and you have to guess its national animal. Are you ready? Then like this video, subscribe, and let's begin the challenge. What is the national animal of the United States? It's the bald eagle, a symbol of freedom and strength. Can you tell me the national animal of China? It's the giant panda, loved all around the world for its charm and calm nature. Name the national animal of Canada. It's the beaver, famous for its hard work and creativity. Do you know the national animal of Australia? It's the red kangaroo, one of the most iconic symbols of the country. Guess the national animal of India. It's the Royal Bengal tiger, representing courage and power. Tell me the national animal of Brazil. It's the jaguar, known for its speed and strength in the Amazon. What is the national animal of France? It's the Gallic rooster, a proud symbol of the French spirit. Can you name the national animal of Spain? It's the bull, representing bravery and tradition. Which animal is known as the national symbol of the United Kingdom? It's the lion, symbolizing courage and royalty. Do you know the national animal of Scotland? It's the unicorn, representing purity and strength. What is the national animal of Russia? It's the brown bear, standing for power and resilience. Can you name the national animal of Mexico? It's the golden eagle, also seen on their national flag. Tell me the national animal of South Africa. It's the springbok, a fast and graceful animal. What is the national animal of Nepal? It's the cow, honored and deeply respected in their culture. Can you tell me the national animal of Argentina? It's the rufous horonero, a hard-working little bird known for its clay nests. Guess the national animal of Indonesia. It's the Komodo dragon, the largest living lizard on Earth. What is the national animal of Greece? It's the dolphin, representing intelligence and freedom. Tell me the national animal of Turkey. It's the gray wolf, a symbol of courage and independence. Can you name the national animal of New Zealand? It's the kiwi, a unique flightless bird found only there. What is the national animal of Saudi Arabia? It's the Arabian camel, known for its endurance in the desert. So, how many did you guess right? Share your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get an education. Your next fun challenge is waiting right there on your screen. Go check it out.